Welcome to these Femme Fatale Affirmations. Listen to this as you walk, maybe getting ready for the day, cleaning, or just sitting quietly and just absorb the words. You can repeat after me or just let these words infuse and radiate within your magnetic, unstoppable force. I am a powerful, alluring force of nature. I am confident in my body and my unique beauty. I exude self-assurance and charisma in every situation. My sensuality is my strength, and I embrace it fully. My inner femme fatale is magnetic and irresistible. My seductive charm comes naturally and effortlessly. I am the embodiment of passion and mystery. I am a powerful force of feminine energy, and I embrace the darkness within me. My shadow self is a vital part of my being, and I honor and accept it. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom to guide me. I am worthy of love and respect, even in my darkest moments. I am a goddess of love and beauty. My feminine energy is pure and divine. I am connected to the universe and all of its beauty. I am a nurturer and caregiver. I am in touch with my emotions and intuition. I am a goddess of healing and compassion. I am a source of feminine inspiration. I am a creator and life giver. I am a woman of grace and elegance. I am a goddess of wisdom and knowledge. I am a source of inspiration and creativity. I am a woman of strength and resilience. I am a master of my emotions, and I choose to feel and express them in healthy ways. I am a creator of my own destiny, and I trust the universe to guide me on my path. I embrace my darkness and transform it into light. I let go of what I cannot control. I am a goddess of love and compassion, and I extend these qualities to myself and others. I release all negative energy and emotions that do not serve my highest good. I am a goddess of transformation, and I embrace the cycles of change. I am comfortable with the unknown, for it holds infinite possibilities. I am a warrior of light, and I use my darkness to fuel my strength. I'm not afraid to stand alone, for I am never truly alone. I am a vessel of divine feminine energy, and I honor and respect all aspects of myself. I am not limited by societal norms or expectations, but by my own beliefs and desires. I am a powerful and alluring woman. My feminine energy is a force to be reckoned with. I am confident and fearless. I am a master of my own destiny. I am a femme fatale, captivating and mysterious. I am magnetic and irresistible. I am a queen, commanding respect and admiration. I am in control of my own life. I am fierce and unstoppable. I am a goddess of strength and power. I am a force to be reckoned with. I am a woman of substance and depth. I am bold and daring. I am a fearless and powerful woman. My presence is powerful and demands attention. I am a master of seduction and intrigue. My inner goddess is bold, fierce, and unapologetic. I am the architect of my own desires, fantasies, and pleasure. I wear my sensuality like a second skin, both natural and alluring. I am in control of my desires and sexual energy. My confidence is intoxicating and draws others to me. I celebrate my unique beauty and embrace my inner siren. I am a femme fatale who knows how to harness her sexuality for empowerment. I am the epitome of seduction, elegance, and mystique. I make myself a priority. I am open and ready to receive all the gifts that the universe has for me. I am loving, compassionate, and nurturing. I am soft and sweet, yet strong and fierce. I am connected to my heart and share how I feel if I choose. I can also stay composed and remain mysterious. I am so fun to be around. I never chase, I attract. I channel seductive energy and walk with purpose. I have high standards and radiate positive energy. I am charismatic and funny. I am passionate and alluring. I embrace my feminine energy and stay connected to my source. I am a creator, a goddess. I am to be respected and honored. Take a deep breath in, all the way in, and just feel that connection to your heart. Feel that connection to your power, to your strength, to all that inner wisdom and all of that infinite beauty that is within you. Use this to attract and bring into your life what you desire and what you deserve. You got this. I believe in you. Go get him. Let him come get you.